Hey guys, welcome back. I am super excited because I get to unbox the scrapbookingcoach.com at home kit with you. Now, I've unboxed these before, but I want to show you that they come packaged in these super sturdy packages so you can pop them on your shelf like so, and they just don't even get damaged. You can kind of stack them up even, not that I have. I'm just saying that the packaging is pretty nifty. Okay, so let's take a look. Oh, and it also came in a big sturdy, like craft colored cardboard kind of a box that was super protective as well. Let me see what else. Oh, with some of that scrunchy brown paper. Okay, so the point is, it was super safe. So this is the October kit, and it is called Gothic Kitchen, which is a rather nifty name, and I haven't seen it in person yet, so I am dying to take a look-see. Now, guys, here's all kinds of intel. And I'm going to have links down below as well. The links that I'm going to have down below, they are affiliate links for both kit memberships as well as for the sketchbooks. And guys, they're the latest sketchbook. I think it's volume 5. It is up for pre-order. It's all about layering and lettering. So I took a look at it and I'm like, it's totally my kind of jam where you get to put all of the things and it's pretty darn cool. So I don't have the link for that yet. I should see if I can get that. But guys, you can go to the links I have down below and you'll find it right there. It'll be great. And you can order it from anywhere in the world. These kits you can only get in the US and the UK. Okay, let's jump right into it. This is called Gothic Kitchen. So the first piece that we have, it's a really nice cut apart. And I was really excited about this because, in scrapbooking, one of my favorite things are like things I can fussy cut. So if I just look at this page, I've got this gorgeous pumpkin right here. I've got these mason jars right here that are so cute, so I can do almost anything. My dog's name is Mason, so that comes in handy. We have this little guy here with the plague mask on, and it's also in like a little notebook. Then there's this ruler, and it reads, look at guys, Monster Measure across, and it's this gorgeous lilac-y tone, which I think is really fun. We've got the word Halloween, beware, and then caution, 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 and a really nice burnt orange. It's actually like the color that I would call it, it's actually like a darker orange than what my camera is picking up. It's called terracotta orange, and the reason I say that, it's the color of my living room walls. True. Oh, and a little brown piece here with a little bit of, pickling time handmade. I think it's so funny because we call it canning and other people call it pickling, whatever, unless we make pickles and then you pickle them. And cute little paper clips. Okay, so that is the first piece. Got it. The backside to that, oh darn it, it's a wood grain. I was hoping it wasn't cool so I could use like doubles of the cut apart, but I love wood grain and it looks really nicely whitewashed. So that's super fun. Now our next piece, we have got ourselves a black and white gingham. So it's super easy to use. You can use it for background. You can use it for matting. You can use it for all of the things. Oh, one of my lights was off. There we go. We'll get a little brighter now. Okay, so super cool there. See what's on the other side. Ooh, guys, this is this perfect like bluey pink. So a really nice saturation of pink, but it goes into a tiny bit of a coral vibe. And we've got some of the gingham and this gorgeous strip of mason jars that I want to fussy cut all out. Like totally want to fussy cut them all out. Okay, so then the backside, all right, so that goes to that one. Now, this piece here, it's rather cool. So we've got a newsprint, but it's a really blurred out newsprint. In case you're like, is my screen going a little funny? It's not, it's fine. And we've got a couple of large mason jars right on the side. Then the backside to that is this really gorgeous corally tone. It's a little more orangey in some places, a little more pinky, and we've got some nice splotches of like almost a turquoisey blue. And then we have a quote, do one thing that scares you every day, from Eleanor Roosevelt. There you go, Ellie. All right, now my next one is this piece here. It is a black and white stripe. I like that it's an imperfect stripe. So it looks almost like they were painted, if you get what I'm saying. Now, technically, I believe it goes this way, but I tend to like my stripes on the horizontal, and since I'm the boss of me, that's how it's going. Ooh, okay. Perfect pumpkin-y terracotta orange. We have got these gorgeous pumpkins that will get totally fussy cut out of this. This is a bummer because I love black and white. It's so crisp, but I would love tons of these. But c'est la vie. We get what we get, and we don't throw a fit. Thank you. Now, we also have some nice little construction boot kind of stompy things. Now, Anna calls them welly boot bottoms, but they totally look like construction boots to me. So, you know, to each their own. Now, our next one, ooh, this is cool. So we've got this gorgeous blue. It's got a little bit of that, I do have words, orchid-y kind of a tone scuffed in there. And then it has some symbols as well, almost like a tone on tone or the lightest gray. And then in a nice, deep, variegated brown, it reads Monster Measure in Scary Meters. Cute. So cute. Now the flip side to that is this one right here. So we have got like this gray wood grain, and it is stunning. Always Do What You're Afraid to Do by Ralph Waldo Emerson. And we've got a couple of extra pieces. We've got this nice pumpkin orange bit here and this caution in both this like orchid-y color as well as the blue. Ta-da! Now next, we have, oh my word. I'm so hoping the flip side is not cool because I'd love to cut this out twice. We have got these gorgeous Gothic roses. And then there's all kinds of like really light print on the pinky part. Super cool. And the print's like in this grayish vibe, right? So we have got gorgeous, gorgeous bits. I want to cut them all out and use them on everything. Every single thing. And now the flip side to that piece of paper, shoot, it's cool. And I was hoping it would be lame. Okay, anywho, it is just like this pinky bit, but it's like tone on tone, black and gray. All kinds of text, all kinds of like mixed media, grungy happiness right there. So that's super cool. Now, goodies to go along with this, my friends. We have got a really cool piece of vellum that's just like this piece here, but it's vellum. And for me, I mean, I know that they'll say it's, it's A4 or, you know, something like that, but it's almost 12 inch by 8 1/4. So very cool piece of vellum there. So that's almost like an embellishment by itself. Then let's see. Ooh, we have got, what can I find that you can really see well? We have got this really nice stencil. So we've got a mason jar. We have got the boot prints. We have got some batty bats and some nice little directional arrow bits. So we should be able to have some fun with that. Nice. And then, guys, we have 2 stamp sets. So we have this one here, and I can go ahead and get it out of the packaging, and then I'll end up using the packaging for mixed media. It's all a win-win. This one here is kind of like a ransom font. Very cool. I can't wait to get in with that. And it is alphabet and numerics. Super cool. And then the other one, we've got a spider web. I see a canning jar. I think I see a homemade with love, maybe. Guys, totally keep these. Is that what it reads? Oh, handmade with love. A nice little circly bit. So there's our canning jar. We've got a spidey web, some batty bats. Ooh, this set of books with a Scully on top. Very cool. And then the construction boot kind of print. So we've got the 2 sets of stamps. And, oh, but wait, there's more. We've got a nice sized set of very saturated orange photo corners. Then, ooh, guys, we have got, excuse me, getting over the plague. We have got a really generous amount of orange and white twine, and I like it. It's soft. It's not like that pokey straw kind. It's a very soft twine. And then finally, y'all, you've got to see this. I was like, what is in that package when I saw it in the DT group? It is a big old baggie of bats. little tiny, oh my gosh, bat down, sequiny kind of bats. So a huge package of them. I cannot wait to play with them. Now guys, like I said, we have the sketchbook number 5 is up for pre-order. Got to get your hands on it. I have all these ideas, like, do I go through, like, in the sketchbook, like one sketch at a time and just go for it, because then it takes the guesswork out of it and you're like, this is what we have, let's see if we can make it work. So we'll see how we go with that. Anywho, links down below to get your hands on these kits, guys, and I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye, friends.